Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Sofido Tech here. Today in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube brand account for your business, for your company, for your content creation. So what you're going to do is that you're going to stick with me to the end of this video so that you will not make the mistake I made in the past when I wanted to do this, because there are where I did it in the past that I made mistake and delete my YouTube channel that I have already built. So you have to stick with me to the end of this video so that you will learn it properly. So what you are going to do right now, if you are new to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video you will get notified. First of all, go to your browser, type in youtube.com. Once you type in youtube.com, allow it to load. Once it's load finish, then you will see this icon here, your YouTube profile displays. Click on it, then you go down and select setting. Click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will see add or remove YouTube channel. Click on it. Once it's loaded, click on create channel. Now here you need to create a new YouTube channel. Generate a YouTube name, just a random name that you use, so that we are going to be using. In my case, let me say Mr. Testing 2. Mr. Testing 2. Hit on create. They will ask you to verify your account. After you have verified that, they put your phone number, or they will call you on voice call. Then once you do that, it will bring you to this page. What you are going to do, hit on your profile again. Once it brings you to this page, what you're going to do, hit on this your profile again. Then when you have hitten on the profile, what you are going to do is that you are going to click on switch account. Once you click on switch account, it will bring you to this page. Next, make sure to select your main channel that you want to move to brand account. This is the main reason why I say that you should stick with me to the end of this video, because I made this mistake in the past and eventually I deleted my YouTube channel that I have already built, that have already gotten enough subscribers. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select, like, I want to move this first one to a brand account. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select that one down. Is this Mr. Sofido 2 is the one that I want to move my main channel to. Click on the first one, your main channel. That is the one you are going to select. Then once it loads, what you are going to do is that you are going to select your icon again, your profile again. Go to settings, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you need to click on view advanced setting. Click on it. Then once it brings up, you will see this place now that say move channel to a brand account. Move channel to a brand account. That is the one you are going to click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring into this page. In this page now, it will ask you to select the particular account you want to replace. This is where you are going to select the YouTube channel that you created just now, the one that you just created. Then next, click on replace. So once you click on it, what you are going to do is that you are going to hit on I understand. They are going to tell you that this is the account that is going to be deleted, though, because they are going to replace your main channel with this one. So once you have seen it, make sure that it is not your main channel that you see in this place now. That the one that you just created will be the one that is going to show here. Then once you are okay with it, click on I understand. Hit on delete channel. Then now you will now see that this your main channel now has been moved. Will now be the one that is going to be moved to the brand channel. Hit on move channel. As you can see, guys, the channel has already been moved as a brand account. So how to know if this is successful, how to know if this process worked, if it has become a brand account, what you are going to do is that you are going to click on your profile. As you can see that the old one has been on the top, then select. As you can see that Mr. Testing 2 have disappeared, then the main channel is now here. Click on it. Click on your main channel that has become a brand account. When you look down here, see how you will know that this is a brand account. You will now see this place that say add or remove a manager. This place that say add or remove a manager, that is number one way you will know that you have a brand account, because ordinarily this doesn't have it. Then second way is that go to your profile again, hit on YouTube Studio. Once it's brought you to YouTube Studio, what you're going to do is that you're going to scroll down, click on settings. Once you click on settings, it will bring you to this interface. You will now see where it says that it says keep managing permissions in your brand account. Keep managing permissions in your brand account, showing that this channel has been moved to a brand account. So that is it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. This is a way you are going to support me. And if you have a question, write on the comment section. I'll be there to reply your comment. If you are new to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I put an amazing video like this, you will get notified.